guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just getting right off into the video. I received my April's Boxycharm and I'm going to be doing my unboxing with you guys just so you can see what I received. Okay, so this is the box. This is the regular size box, Boxycharm. Okay, let's see what's in here, y'all. So this is the thing. Peace, love, and boxy. Cool. And these are the products on the back and the prices. So I will be reading that out to you guys. So first, ooh, lashes. Who doesn't love lashes? So this is the Lashaholic luxury lashes. So the Lashaholic lashes. Instaglam false eyelashes retails for $14.99. So let's take a look. So this is in the style Instaglam. And look at the box. The box is so pretty, guys. Look. It's surrounded with glitter, shimmer. Pretty. The lashes are pretty. They're wispies. I love wispies. So I will most definitely be wearing these. Inside it says, ready, set, get addicted. This is too cute. Cute box and everything. Nice lashes, and their information is on the back. So I will most definitely be wearing these in one of my videos, of course. So I'm going to set that to the side. Okay. My next item is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I'm excited about this one, yes. So the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder retails for $27. So let's open it. And you can see the box is like a black and white marble. It's pretty. And this is the color right here, which is Purple Dream. Okay, this is a nice size container for Diamond Glow Powder. So what size is it? For 0.16 ounces. So 16 ounces. And they have their name right here, Artist Couture, written in gold. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. And this is the inside of it. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I like this. So you can turn it. So yeah, let's try this out. So how do I remove the plastic? Yeah, look what I done. I spilled half of my glow powder trying to open it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Spilled half of it trying to open it. Thinking I was supposed to pull this top off and pulled it all the way up and the powder just flew everywhere. But when I twisted it, I saw it was just a little plastic strip over it, and the only thing I had to do was peel off the plastic strip. Duh. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to try to scrape this powder back in there for my mess up. So I scraped most of the powder back in there. As you can see, it's still lingering around. So it's the little sifter part that it comes out with. So of course I'm going to try it. Some is already on my hands, but I'm going to try it. It's a really, really pretty. Oh yes. I hope y'all can see that. This is beautiful. So yeah, Purple Dream, that's the color. Really, really pretty highlight color. And it's really soft. Okay, so this is the Artist Couture. It look what I did on the top. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I think I already told you guys how much that retail for, $27. So I'm gonna set that to the side. I have to clean that off. So let's get to the next item. Okay, oh, this is April Holographic lip gloss. Wow, a holographic lip gloss. I bet this is beautiful. So let's watch this. Okay, the April Holographic lip gloss retails for $21. So let's open it up. And excuse my manicure, guys. It's time for me to do another shellac manicure. I just didn't feel like doing it. All right. Beautiful. This is a pretty gloss. This is really pretty on top of a nude lip or whatever color. It's a holographic lip gloss. It doesn't feel too sticky. Feels, it kind of feels good actually for a gloss. Have a little stickiness to it, but not much. So this is a pretty gloss, and I will most definitely be trying this as well. So the next item, I got some more Luxie brushes. Cool. So these are the Luxie Summer Daze brush set. So this is the little packet it came in. Little Ferris wheel, some palm trees. I love palm trees. Let's open it. Oh, let me tell you how much it retail for. Okay, so the Luxie Summer Daze 3-piece brush set retails for $28. So these are the brushes. Also, it's like an ombre type brush. Pretty. Okay, so this is the Luxie 512 small contouring brush. Cool. So, and it feels really good, really soft. So yeah, this would be pretty good for a powder contour and a liquid. So pretty cool. Okay, so this is the Luxie 209 large shader brush. So feels really good. Cool. And this is the Luxie 245 small shader brush. Nice brushes. Nice, nice, nice. And this brush is flat. It's like a flat brush, so you can probably use it as a painter brush as well. Nice brushes. I'm always excited about the stuff I get in my Boxycharm. They never disappoint. Okay, the next, last but not least, So this is the 5th item. And what is this? Ooh. The Pure Cosmetics Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So the Pure Complexion Authority Festival palette retails for $36. Cool. See, I like the whole little thing, the whole little festival thing. Of course, y'all know I gotta swatch them. I gotta show y'all the swatches. So, let's open it. So this is the box it comes in. Have all the little colors, and actually show you the colors on the back. So, and it's cruelty-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free. Cool. Oh, cool. And on the inside it comes with a little sample of eyeshadow primer. That's cool. I'll try that when I actually do a look. So that's so pretty. Look at that. I gotta show you the mirror real quick because I have something written right there. Say, treat every day like a festival, and they have their name down there. Let's do some swatches. These colors, look at these colors, guys. I'm so excited to try these. Especially the glitters. Ooh, I love glitter. Okay, so we're gonna start with the top row. Let me zoom this in. Okay, so this is the top row. I'm just gonna call out all the colors, and then I'm gonna show you guys all the swatches, okay? So this is Free Spirit. Actually, it's on the box. So Free Spirit, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, Peace. So that's the top row. The second row, that color is Epic, Gypsy, Wild Child, 24K Magic. Ooh, look at that 24K Magic. The last row is All Night, Hidden Desert, Sunset, Fireworks. Look at fireworks. Let's get into the swatches, y'all. I got too excited. Oh my gosh. Look at that, y'all. So it's in that order. Free Spirit, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, Peace. Peace is like a pretty bronze. Ooh, look at that. All of these are so pretty. Look at that gold. It's like a rose gold. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, y'all ready for this? Y'all, Okay, just take a moment, look at that glitter. And it just, oh my gosh, and it just wiped on so smooth. Like, it is so smooth, it's not chunky or anything. And look at those colors. Wow. I'm impressed. Oh, look at Epic. Love this neutral color. Oh my gosh, so this is Epic. Gypsy. Wild Child is the pink. And 24K Magic is this glitter, y'all. This is so pretty. It's like 24K Magic has like greens and golds. It's like, oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, let's watch the last row, y'all. Okay, so we're watching the last row. Oh my gosh, look at that. Put a little bit more of these on so you can see. Ooh, this is beautiful. Okay, y'all. Oh my, look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh. Like, wow. I don't know if y'all can see these colors in here. It's like a rose gold, a pink, like a purple. Oh gosh, I love this palette. I cannot wait to get into this palette and do some looks on it. I can't wait. So this is the color Night. This nice deep brown color. And this is Hidden Desert. I like that color as well. And Sunset is really pretty. This is a really pretty color. And Fireworks, this is the bomb. This is the bomb glitter. Look at that. I love it. So those are all the colors of the palette. I love this palette. I cannot wait. Cannot wait to try it. Okay, y'all, so these are all the things that came in my Boxycharm. I've done the swatches on. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm excited about my brushes, my lip gloss, lashes, highlight powder, palette. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get in this palette and try it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and all that. Also, I'm going to make sure I leave Boxycharm information below if you're interested in subscribing. I'm going to leave my link below. And no, this is not a sponsored video. Be blessed, guys. Bye.